lake to our children who are 3 and 4 years old. Our
best bet is a dependable Honda generator. This is David Cobbett stock right now at the lowest prices in the region.
We out here, gonna do some fishing today. And I brought the kayak. It's cold, but it's not bad. It's supposed to get up to 63 today. Right now, my truck said 55. This is a springs, so I'm guessing the water is pretty cold. We'll see. We'll see if we can get any luck here today. Let's make sure it's locked. Okay. Let me see. Let me check that. Ooh. That water is freezing. Starting off with my drop shot rig. And I'm going to start off with one of these X Zones finesse slammer. I'm going to hook it just like that. We'll see. I hear some fish splashing, so we'll see if we get something. So I really only had one good thump on this bait, so I'm going to try something else. I've came out here in the past and had really good success with these, with the Texas rig. And that this is the 10,000 fish Yodo worm in the color Sungill. And I absolutely love this color. It's a very natural color. And I've had really good luck out here with this. So we'll see. I am really the only one out here. If you're ever feeling cold in the dead of fall, paddle across the lake. You'll warm up real quick. I'm gonna start over here in this little cove. And since we do have a little bit of a breeze and it is picking up, instead of fighting the wind, I'm gonna let the wind take me back to where we just were. All right, guys, first fish of the day. So right here, you'll notice I do have a little bird's nest going on, and you can see me kind of fumbling around with my rod, trying to find a spot to put it down and try to take care of this fish, because my line is wrapped around the eyes of my pole, and it's, you know, keeps that tension there. I'm not able to get my slack like I want. This is the second fish of the day, and I was just dead sticking it. Look at this guy. He's got a good belly on him. Thanks for biting, buddy. Oh, okay. Okay, here we have a little guy, but he is our third fish. Woo! This guy hit it like a 5-pounder. He's the smallest one of the day. Look at that, he knocked my worm off and everything. But anyways, here's number 3. Pretty colors. And I forgot to mention that these are all largemouth bass. He's cold. This is a cold fish. He was pretty deep too. Alright, let's let him go. Bye, buddy. Thanks for biting. Alright. I'm just lifting up my pole, giving some texture to that Yodo worm. Kind of just bouncing it, feeling for a bite. And the bites haven't really felt like much besides just heavy, like you're snagged. And what you're gonna do is when you feel that resistance, like you're trying to pull, but something's pulling back. Oh, here's one right there. Check her out. Check out the colors. The cush ate it. That's what I love about the drop shot hook, you guys. Or the drop shot rig, I should say. Nine times out of 10, it's right there in the corner of their mouth. Ooh, let's catch another. So here's my hook. This is my line leading to my weight here. Okay, And all I'm doing with the Yoda worm is keeping that hook exposed right here. Okay, and I hooked it right through the nose right there, and this is what it looks like. So there we go. Make sure you're not tangled up in your eyes on your pole. I don't know what it is about these fish, but they always tangle me up like crazy. Trying to bring them in here. Something else. I cast out, I let it hit bottom, and all I'm doing is reeling up the slack. This little cove I'm fishing in gets my heart pumping. Still waiting for it to get 63 degrees. Man, oh man, is this nice. Just sitting back in my seat, catching some fish. Ay, ay, ay. And this wind could stop, that'd be great. And now I'm across the other side, and there's a nice point here, right there, that I'm gonna try to fish off of. Let's see. There we go. This guy was right here off that point. Ooh, and he just looked good. Woohoo! Let's let him go. Cool, my plan worked out. Snag him. And I'm over it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.